mastering delegation so your employees feel confident and empowered. So we are delegating, but they are the receivers of this task. They're going to own that task. And so what you want to do is you don't want to micromanage them once you hand off to a thing like, hey, office manager, you're now responsible for paying these bills. You don't mess with it after that. It's their system to tweak and work with. You can circle back and check in with them, but the idea is if your employees, particularly on the administrative side, are having to come to you with any little problem or request, it's going to drag the whole operation down. You really want to be able to pass it off and say, that's yours. I wash my hands of it. See you later.
Guys, pick up this book. It's called Clockwork by Mike Michalowicz, and he also wrote Profit First. But like Brandon said, this is actually one of the biggest challenges for employees or entrepreneurs as well, is just delegating, because you feel like you want to control everything, and you don't feel like anybody else can do it as good as you can do. But the truth is, your business can't run with just you doing everything. You have to empower your team if you want to grow. And so this book talks all about it. It's a great read. We've read it many times. Basically, the process you go through is you go through a week and you document every single thing you do every single day, and you start realizing, wow, I'm actually wasting a lot of time, or these 10 things I do all the time, I could delegate to my team over here and this person over here, to the point where now you're going to focus on what you do best. You're going to delegate everything else, empower your team so they can do it, and they can, like Brandon said, make decisions without you, and that's where your business really starts running like a well-oiled machine.
Yeah. You got to do this. If you don't get good at this, this is how you accidentally walk yourself into a 80-hour-a-week job. You don't want a job. You want to own a business.
Right.